Hi everyone, we are in Hollywood, Florida. Some light anomalies going on. They're just starting to zip up right now. And the weather's calmed a bit, so the webcam's not blowing off the mount. But I came across something, the Lord's Prayer, and I'd never heard a take on it like this before. It's kind of a pop rock kind of thing. But listen to this. I thought it was kind of cool. I wanted to share it. Listen to this. Light upper right looks like a face up there in the corner, doesn't it? Pretty cool, eh? That's Janet Mead. I think it's like 30 years old or more. I'm not sure. It's pretty old. But these anomalies, I wanted to share them. They just started amping up. About an hour ago, they were a lot calmer than this, but now we're getting some detail in it. So, just wanted to bring it to you real quick. Hope you're having a great night, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.